Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh! What? Where? Where are all the animals? Do you know where my animals went to? Where are all the farm animals? Hello? Oh, hi, Bunny. I wonder if this might help find some animals. Oh, thank you. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Oh, the pigs! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Look at this piggy bank. I have one red coin with a pig. Put it in. One coin. Here is a green coin with a goat. 2 coins. And a blue coin with a sheep. 3 coins. And an orange coin with a horse. 4 coins. And a green coin with a bunny. 5 coins. Oh, thank you. Maybe some water will help. Maybe there's a thirsty animal who would like some water. Let's pour in and... Oh, wait, is that a cow? Oh, hello, cow, I missed you. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Art time! You're gonna need a black, green, blue, and yellow marker, a cutting board, a potato, and a safe knife. Okay, cut it in 2. Cut 2 potato halves. A plate and some brown paint. I wonder what it's for. Let's draw an animal. I wonder if you can guess what it is. Draw an oval for the head and another oval for the body. 1, 2 eyes, 2 dots for the nose, and a smile. 1, 2 ears, oh, and a little bit of hair. Let's draw a tail with a tuft of fur. And 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles for legs. And if you guessed a cow, you are right. Now let's add some green grass below the cow. Use our blue marker to make some clouds. and a yellow marker to draw the sun. Now here's the fun part. You take your potato and dip, dip, dip. Dip, 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 and for the spots on the cow. If you want to make a cow at home, you just need some potatoes, cut in two, brown paint, paper, and some markers, black, blue, green, and yellow. What is this? What? Why is the egg carton empty? Oh, friends, what a mess! Can you help? I see two red circles. Do they go together? Oh, yes, they do. That's one egg. Okay. I see one orange triangle, two orange triangles. Pop. Two eggs. Oh, I see a yellow square. One yellow square, two yellow squares. Pop. Three eggs. Oh, I see a green star. And another green star. It's a match. Pop. That's four eggs. Two more. Oh, I see a blue diamond. Pop. Oh, perfect. Five eggs. Okay, last one. I see a pink rectangle. Two pink rectangles. It's a match. Turn, turn, turn. Pop. Oh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. Let's put them back in the egg carton. Great work. Oh my goodness, look! Our eggs! Thank you for finding our eggs. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. With a clock-a-doodle-doo and a dock-a-doodle-doo. Here a doodle, there a doodle, everywhere a cock-a-doodle. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, the water worked so well last time. Let's try with more water. See if somebody comes. Oh, is that Mr. Donkey? Oh, hello, Mr. Donkey. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a donkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a hee-haw here and a hee-haw there. Here a hee-haw ha, there a ha, everywhere a hee-haw. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. We're gonna read Open the Barn Door. Who says moo? A cow! A cow says moo. Who says oink? A pig! A pig says oink. Who says peep? Oh, a chick! A baby chicken says peep. Who says neigh? A pony or a horse. Who says quack? Ducklings, baby ducks. Who says meh? A goat. A goat says meh. Who says woof woof? A dog. A dog? Oh my goodness, hello dog. Who says meow meow? Oh, cats. So cute. Who's that? Oh my goodness, it's the cat. Welcome back, cat. We missed you. So cute, Mama and Beebees. Who says cock-a-doodle-doo? A rooster. And who says hoot? An owl. An owl says hoot. By Christopher Santoro. Oh, thank you, friends. You helped find my cat. Oh, I missed you so much. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, welcome home, dog. I missed you. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You saved the farm. Oh, pig, I missed you. Welcome home. And cow, I missed you too. And chicken, welcome home. And rooster, nice to see you. Oh, and donkey, welcome back. And cat, glad you're here. Oh, dog, welcome home. Thank you, friends. See you again real soon.